my lovely viewers. I welcome you back to Society 360. It's been a while. I think I updated you a while ago that I've been busy doing some stuff in direct farming. I'm on a huge hectares of rice farm here. And there are a lot of things going on here, especially the kind of technology I've seen here is mind-blowing. So I'm going to engage one of the men who is in charge of an aspect of the technology stuff they do here, drone. So they use the drone for spraying, spraying actively, and he's going to take us through the advantages of using drones for your spraying against knapsack. I learned they use it for fertilizer application as well. They did it on our field, and I realized that it took them not more than 3 hours. I'm not even sure it's up to 3 hours, and it was really fast. So I would engage him to understand his work, why he thinks that it's something a lot of farmers or young farmers who want to make more money should engage into. So his name is Patrick. Patrick, I welcome you to my channel.
Okay, you're welcome to my office.
I know, right?
Yes.
Your office is full of technology. Talking about your office, take me through your daily activity. What's your office made up of?
Should I introduce myself again? So I'm
Oh yeah,
Patrick.
you can. You
I'm
can.
Patrick Kumar. I'm a drone pilot technician and an instructor too.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So I train people on how to fly drones. So I'm GCA certified, so Ghana Civil Aviation certified drone pilot. Yes.
Okay.
So and I play with toys. Should I say they are not toys, but we call this um, drones, but they are unmanned. Unmanned. So when you come to the aviation industries, we call this unmanned aircraft, and the manned aircraft are the ones that we see the pilots in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so ideally, so those that we use on the farm for spraying, we call them industrial drones, and you can see
Like
one.
this.
Yeah. So
Okay.
this is an industrial drone. So manufactured by a company called DJI. So and it's a 40-liter capacity drone. Yeah, so I've been flying drones for quite a while now, since 2016. So I quite started with photography and drone photography way back 2016, and I had the opportunity to join a company to start with the industrial drones, and I flew a couple of drones, a lot of drones. So I have experience in flying a lot of drones. So yeah, so now I'm really mastering in the spraying. So
Okay.
I'm a farmer too.
You're a farmer?
Yes.
Oh,
Once
wow.
I'm in the farm, I'm a farmer too.
That's great.
I do photography too, but currently I'm a farmer because I'm in the farm now. So
Oh, okay. So you have a plot at Agro Kings.
oh, I don't have a plot, but
Okay, but at another place.
no, it's not another place. But once I'm here, I'm a farmer.
You're a farmer, of course. Yeah.
As I'm doing application,
You are
I'm a farmer.
infusing technology into agri. I like that.
Yes.
So that's great.
Yes.
Okay, so how long have you been with Agro King? I think let me introduce Agro King a bit. Agro
Yes.
King is I don't know if I should call it the biggest producer of local rice
Yeah,
in
the
Ghana.
biggest,
The biggest actually.
yeah, the
And
biggest.
the exports. You see, Ghana rice goes beyond Ghana. It's not only in Ghana. So he has been doing. So if we say the biggest producer of rice, should know why they are using drone for their farm in terms of spraying. And so, how long have you been working with them? And is this the first time? Are they the first company you are working for in terms of the?
Oh no, I've been with a couple of companies. So let's say I've been with 2 drone companies.
Okay.
But Agro Kings is not a drone company, it's just a farm. But we are now trying to bring about the drone stuff so that we can also start rendering services to other people.
Okay.
And now it's something internal. So we are now building a drone in the how do I put it, a drone
Department here.
So
Okay.
I'm the one in charge of it, and should I say I've known Agro Kings for quite like 2 years now, and I've been with them. I came here to train some few people, and I'm here doing spraying for this thing. How do we call it? Uh, Agro Kings, and I'm training people too, and yeah. So all drone stuff here. If it comes to the images, mapping and stuff, I do all other stuff for
those
them.
things.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay. So I think we are okay with the background.
yep.
Now tell us why I should choose drone. over knapsack sprayer on my field? And then what's the advantage of it? And also, I'm boxing all the questions for you, so it's a bit
Yes,
easier.
yes, 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 yes.
And then how is there any quantity or limits in terms of what I need to have before I can say, okay, I'm going to follow on the services of a drone pilot like you
Okay.
to spray my farm.
Okay, so ideally, we are living in a technological world now,
Yeah.
and we have to just follow that trend. I think we are, and you said AI,
Yeah, of course.
artificial intelligence. So drone is an artificial intelligence, and it's, should I say, it has released a lot of stress. One, if you are using a knapsack, just assuming a nice lady like you walking
I
in
know,
the
right?
farm carrying a knapsack, it's a whole lot of stress. And the drone is there to help me. I don't know, you've been with me and you've seen
Yes,
how
yes,
I did.
yes.
I was just standing somewhere far, commanding the drone. So it comes with an RC, I command it, it does the work. And you were there when I did 4 hectares. Within 9 minutes, I was able to fly 4 hectares.
Yes.
And it makes works very easier and faster. And secondly, to you save like 90% of water. So
Wow.
assuming a knapsack is supposed to spray only a hectare, just imagine the number of water you're going to use.
Okay.
The person will even walk within an inch and the water will finish, and you have to come back again and fetch another water. But with this drone, it's just 40 liter, and that 40 liter we are going to put chemical in that 40 liter tank, and we are able to achieve 4 hectares in a go. We program everything, and it does it very simple. So we call it precision farming.
Okay.
So it does precision spraying. So you don't need to go around. So we go the moment you get to the farm, we just map around our boundaries wherever we want to spray. You command the drone, it does that, and you save like almost 40% of chemical. So
Yeah.
what chemical the NASA takes, the drone takes lesser than that.
Than that.
And so with speed, efficiency, and it's easier to use.
Yeah.
And you don't really need any how do I say, this is not any big science, though it's science, but you
Yeah.
don't really need
Okay. Okay, that's
it's not
fine.
really complicated, so it makes things easier for you. And within a day, if we can cover like 100 hectares with this drone.
100 hectares.
Yes, 100 hectares.
Hey,
Yes,
that's a
within a day.
lot.
And I think this morning I just spent 2 hours on the farm and I did like almost 45 hectares.
Hectares.
Yes, so and you
It's
can spray
faster.
everything. Yes,
It
faster,
saves
time,
cost on water and then the chemical as
and
well.
it saves your health too. Because those using a knapsack, you're always on the farm walking, and
It's
it
true.
is a lot of stress. But with the drone, I can stand very far, command it, it sprays and it comes back. And I spoke about precision farming. Let's assume you are spraying with a drone. It comes with a GPS and this intelligent GPS starts in it. The moment it sprays and it gets to a place and the chemical gets finished, it returns back automatically. You refill, it goes back to the same point it got finished, then
Then continue from there.
continues again. You see, that's precision spraying. But with a knapsack, someone will spray and he'll get to a place, and before he returns, maybe
You
you wouldn't even
forget.
forget
I
where
know, right?
and they don't really do it
Yes,
well.
that's
Like,
true.
so it's
Okay.
it saves a lot.
But what I saw on the field, I realized that if you have a small farm,
Yeah.
you can't use drone for spraying.
Oh, if you can still use it. You can
Like
still use
even
it.
2 acres.
2 acres you can still use it, but it's just, should I say, it's just let's assume you are here and you just want to walk here,
Ah,
and you see, and you are driving, you see,
yeah.
so
Okay,
it's
okay.
better you get a larger field, but you can still use it. It's just to save a lot of
Okay.
cost and time.
I think that's fine. So what that means is if there's a community that they want to engage the services of a drone where they are not even close to where you are, they
Yeah.
can come together
Yes, yes.
and
So
then
what
follow
would
you to
I
do it
quite
for them.
remember, I used to be with a company, and what we do is we go to a community, we speak to them, we pull all the farmers together, we come together, because with the small pieces of land, you travel all the way to go and spray 2 hectares. You see, we are doing 100 hectares in a day.
Yes, yeah.
So if the farm is very huge and we have a lot of farmers, we come and we spray for everyone, and it's so better, and it
Okay.
saves time and cost.
Yes,
Yeah.
because I know you go with your batteries,
Yeah, so
your
we have a
generator.
generator, we have batteries, and we have the drone. So we pick everything and we just move. And
Okay.
that's it.
I'm told it can also be used for fertilizer application. Is that the
Yes,
case?
yes, yes. So so this tank is used for liquid, and we have a different tank that is used for that's the how do you call it? The solid fertilizer. There's
Okay.
that the urea and the GMOL.
Ah,
And you
oh.
can even use it for spreading of the rice, so
As in
broadcasting.
broadcasting.
Yes, so we
Oh,
have a
wow.
system that broadcasts the seeds and everything. Yes,
Wow, that's awesome.
yes.
Okay, so you also mentioned earlier that you train on how to operate this.
Yes,
Can
yes.
you talk about that? And maybe
Yeah.
if somebody's interested to engage you, how
Yes,
did they reach you?
so per the civil aviation rules, everybody that has a drone, first you need to register your drone as a car.
Okay.
So you see, in Ghana, before you drive a car, you need to register with a DVLA. So per civil aviation, this is an aircraft. It goes airborne, and it can cause collision. So, and the other aircrafts also in the air. So it can cause any accident or stuff. So you need to register your drone, one, and you, the person flying the drone, has to get a license before you can operate it. You
Okay.
get it. So with this, we are setting up a school here in Agro Kings very soon, and we will start training people. You get your certificate. Then with the certificate, you go to civil aviation and you apply for a drone license that we call it RPL, remote pilot license.
Okay.
Then with that, you can operate a drone. So now the industry is growing. That Ghana, I think other countries, you can't fly drone without a license or be the drone bureau. But Ghana is now going, so it will get to a time they'll start arresting people who
Who don't have the
we don't
license to
have,
operate
yes,
drones?
yes. So this
Okay.
is putting all this. So we are now. So before you get a license, you have to go to a school. It's like getting a driver's license. You have to go to a school that
Yeah,
trains how
yeah,
to.
yeah.
Because civil aviation is not going to train you how to fly a drone. You have to go to a school, a registered school, approved school that will train you, give you a certificate. Then you would go back to the civil aviation for your license.
Okay.
Yes. So for now, we have, I think in Ghana we have only like 2 schools that does that now. So what we are trying to put together, and those schools don't really do it really intensive. I passed through the system, and
Oh,
I know
okay.
how it's like. But I knew how to fly before I went to the school.
Ah.
Yes, and I've gone all the way to South Africa to go and upgrade it there.
Hey, then you mean
Yeah.
business.
Oh yes, so because
And
I
it's
don't
good,
we don't
right?
really have those standards here in Ghana. So I've gone to upgrade it. It's like going outside to do your master's. So here, so I've gone to upgraded it and getting an instructor rating. So putting a school together. We are we here at Agro Kings, the school we are coming to build is more or less that we will train you on how to fly the agric drones. But other schools don't teach; they just teach you how to fly a drone. But we are going to teach you on how to fly the agric drone, the videography drone, how to do mapping, and a whole lot. And it will be really intensive.
Okay.
So before you come out, you'll be really equipped. Then I think we would give you the opportunities if you really want to work with us to with an
Okay.
internship program that after that you also work with a company
Okay.
as a drone pilot.
Okay. Is your kind of work a highly sought after profession where
Yes.
you know that when I finish school and go through the needed practicals to master it, I can be getting businesses too.
Oh yeah. So now there are companies that are getting their own drones and they need pilots.
Pilots.
Yes, they need pilots a lot. Even should I say where I schooled in South Africa, they keep sending me mail all the time that they need drone pilot, they need drone
Oh,
pilot. So
all the way in South Africa.
yeah, so they keep
Wow.
sending me mails that they want drone pilots.
I hope you
So
not leave us though.
oh no, I love Ghana.
I know, right?
Yeah, so
We love
I want
Ghana.
to help. I want to help the youth. I'm a youth myself, and the way the country is going, so I need to help the youth too. Because my boss himself is into youth empowerment.
I know.
So
Nana
I
is
also
doing
have
so
to, yeah.
well.
So
Oh,
I have to also help him with that.
yeah.
So we need to train the youth, and they will also learn something and help the country, because agriculture is the backbone of the
That's true,
country.
because
So
we have billions of mouths to feed across the world,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
without
And
food.
drones are really helping, because
Yes, yes.
it's made work very easier, and work moves
Yeah, I
faster.
mean, I have experienced it myself.
Yeah.
I saw the way it was, how you fly it, the time catches, it comes down, it comes back, you feel it, it goes back. It was really nice to watch. Let me ask another question from a layman's perspective. Can it be used? I know Ghana here we heavily rely on rain-fed farming. Agro King does irrigation
Yeah.
plus the rain-fed. So in a situation where some farming communities they don't have any source of water for maybe not rice per se, another crop like maize, and they want rain at all costs, can drone be used to spray water on
No,
the
it's
field?
not really. The amount of rain they want, the drone can't
Cannot give
really
them, okay,
um, pour that amount of
water
water
on the
on it.
farm.
Yes,
Okay,
it's not.
okay.
It's not really ideal. I think that there will be a time that we'll have a drone, but we have drones that do delivery a
Delivery.
lot. We are even trying to build one that we use for washing. That has this pressure pump that we use to wash skyscrapers and all those stuff. Yeah, it's also in the system. So if maybe that system can, we will still need water,
Okay,
and those farms need water. So where are we going to get that water from?
that's
So
fine.
why don't they just get pumps and channel those
Yes,
water?
that's true.
Because it's still the water that we put in the system that also
That's true.
there's it's not really
Okay, all right.
logical. Yeah.
Yeah. I know you're here at Agro Kings on the
Yes,
farm, but
please.
maybe somebody needs you in Accra, and then they want to connect with you with the training or whatever knowledge you want to share.
Yeah.
Please, it's not free. He charges for it.
Oh
So
yeah, yeah. Nothing is free in this world.
yes, now there's nothing free. When you give it out for free, people don't value it. So you pay something to go through the training. So he will share his contact before you come and be worrying me. Please give me Patrick's contact too. Please share your contact.
Oh, okay, okay. So you can reach me on 0247 629939. Yeah, so the name is Patrick. So when you call me,
Okay.
I'll get to you. So
All right. Thank you very
yeah.
much. So I'm here on Agro Kings Farms. It's going to be a long journey here. So I'll be sharing different aspects of the farming activities over here, and you would learn a thing or two. And there are lots of opportunities here. If you are all looking for opportunities to go into the agricultural sector, you can link up, and then we'll see how we can take it from there. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe. It's a bye from us. Bye.
Hi.